In this video, I will show you how can we create Microsoft Intune free account. It will be without credit card. So for this, we have go to the www.microsoft.com. Here we will select all Microsoft, and here we will select the Microsoft Security. Here you will select the products, and I will select the Microsoft Intune. And go to the see pricing and plan and pricing. Here I will select Microsoft Intune Suite. Try it for free. In email address, I will type the email address umar.khan7414@hotmail.com. Next, I will confirm the email address, sign up. Here I will type the first name, last name, job title as administrator, phone number. You can type your phone number. Company, I will type the company. Here you will select the size of your company. Here select your region. Select I accept. Click next. And here you will verify the mobile number by sending the verification code 1. Nine double eight. Verify. This will be the username, and this will be your domain. So I will enter the password. Account has been successfully signed up, so I will save and my credential, print as PDF, save as PDF. And start using the trial account. It will redirect me to the Microsoft Intune account. Type the same email address uh, and the same password. So your account has been created.